Came in this morning and my customer handed me this screw, which I've been papering this wall, lining it, released the socket, only backed it off to get the paper in, and then when I finished painting, letting it dry, just screwed it back up. So I came in and my customer was saying that there was what she thought was a spider at first, just sitting on the corner of the socket, which was actually that little screw, the brass screw from inside. So when I've backed it off, it must have dropped out, and when I've screwed it up, it's been trapped on the corner. I've not noticed it. So I couldn't leave it. She asked me to have a look at it. I do always check these are working when I do fasten them up, and there was no problem when I left it, and when I came in there was no problem. They've been working all the time. So because I couldn't leave it, I said I would just remove it to have a look, and I couldn't believe when I opened it what it's looking like at the back here. What I was worried about first of all, if there was a loose screw or the screw has fallen out, then when I draw this back, a wire could pop out. But that didn't happen. Make sure the electric's off first, because if it's a live wire that pops out, then you don't want to be shorting anything. But when I did back it off, I noticed that the earth wire isn't even connected. It's just bent back on itself there. So this isn't earthed. Whether it should be or not, I don't know. Again, that neutral wire there is not connected, it's just snipped on the end, but was never in that. Take a look at the end of that blue wire in there. It's not even been capped or taped up. Again, it's neutral wire, but who knows what that's connected to. I did advise my customer just to have it looked at, just for peace of mind. Possibly nothing wrong with it whatsoever, but I can't say that. And it is a plastic backing, so get it looked at. I at least thought the main feed coming in would have been earthed on the back of that plate. So when you're used to seeing earth wires, something like that's a bit unnerving. With this being for the shower room, I would have thought that the mains coming in was earthed, just for water getting down onto those connections, even using a steam stripper on the walls. The switch controls that light, the ceiling lights, and this fan.